Dun 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 dun. Hi, here we are at Sky News. Hello, rspca animals are struggling to get food and water, and more animals are going homeless. To Ellie and Holly at the RSPCA Centre.
Thanks, Jess. Hello, here we are at the RSPCA. We are looking at the poor animals, as you can see. Do you want me to feed the animals, cameraman? Okay. I bet they're hungry. Say we are helping out. We have donated £10,000 to them. Here is their food and water. Here is bed and a koala bear. This cat Dave is the most illest. We can't show him, we're not allowed, he's too ill. Back to Jess at the studio.
Thank you, Ellie. I feel so sorry for the poor animals. Now for the weather with Luke.
It's going to be sunny in England and snowing in Newcastle, and in Scotland it's going to be windy, and in Ireland it's going to be raining. Back to Jess at the studio.
That's it for today. Back tomorrow.
Dun, 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 dun.